Alright guys, today I am doing a review of this Lotta mint chocolate. This is a dairy-free ice cream. Check this out. Here's the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read that, pause the video. And let's find the ingredients. Right here, made of coconut milk. But this time, guys, I'm actually going to use these freeze-dried raspberries into this ice cream. That's what I'm going to be doing. So, alright, let's open this up. Alright guys, here is the ice cream. As you can see, I put some raspberries on top. And these are the freeze-dried type, so they'll rehydrate if you just let it sit a bit. But, yeah, let's do a quick taste test. Let me try to get a raspberry in there. Yeah, that's harder with one hand. Hold on. Okay, so I got it right there. Let's do it. It's actually pretty good. You get a lot of the mint and the chocolate goes in really well. The raspberries would probably be better crushed to sprinkle on top, so these doesn't take too long to rehydrate. But other than that, it's pretty good, guys. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post, scratch.